Hello, boys and girls. This is Mr. Giumini. Tonight, I am looking at some of your homework where you're supposed to post the associative property. Give me an example of your interpretation of associative property. And I'm not seeing what exactly I was hoping. So, just a quick review. Associative property. Notice, in parentheses, I have three. Well, before I'll just ignore the parentheses. Look, I have A plus B plus C. A stands for a number. B stands for a different number. C stands for a different number than these two. Is equal to A plus B plus C. The first thing I notice about this problem is, notice all the variables stay in the same order on both sides of the equal sign. So A is first here, A is first on the other side of the equal sign. B is second here, B is second over here. C is third over here. The only thing that changes is the parentheses. Notice over here, A and B are grouped together. They are associating with each other. C is on the outside. Now notice what happens on the other side of the equal sign. A is on the outside now, and B and C are associating together. B and C are together inside the parentheses. What I always notice about associative property, none of the digits change order. They all stay in the same order. Many of you are switching things around. You don't do that. So for instance, if I were to say that A is equal to 4, B is equal to 5, C is equal to 6, I will just now substitute wherever I see an A, a 4. Wherever I see a B, I'll put a 5 in it. Wherever I see a C, I'll put a 6. So if I go now, it becomes parentheses 4 plus 5 plus 6 is equal to. I keep the same order. I do not change the order. Is 4 plus parentheses. Now the 5 is going to associate with the 6 plus 6 close parentheses. I am done. Again, notice none of the numbers have moved. They're all in the same spot. The only thing that moves in the associative property is the parentheses. And notice the 5, which is that middle digit, is always inside the parentheses. It is the one that is choosing who to speak with. Here the 5 speaks with the 4. Over here the 5 speaks with the 6. But again, the 4 is always the first digit, the 5 is always the second, then followed by the 6. I have my equal sign here. I'll circle it. That's going to separate the left side from the right side. And now again, the 4 stays in the first spot as it did over here. But now in parentheses, the 5 and 6 are associating. I hope this makes a little bit more sense with the associative property. We'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye.